Here's a short video. If you bought a set of these and you have a yellow beast like this with an ANSI enter key with indentations like that, you will face the problem that those white spacers are slightly offset. No big deal. Get one of those, file off the ends of the white spacers because they're offset, they're not nicely fitting in those brackets there and here. So again, no big deal. File them off, stick the key on, and I'm doing it without the iron brackets just to prove the fact that that is the solution. Enjoy.